Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. Thanks for watching and supporting. We have a very important video for you guys today. We are talking about Uber and Lyft drivers quitting, and they're quitting at alarming rates right now. So we're gonna jump into that. But before I do, I wanna thank our sponsor of the video, Solo. Solo is an incredible app that pays you a guaranteed amount of money when you do go out and drive. And also right now, anywhere in the country, you can sign up for free and they'll give you $10 for using our link. That's a special for our audience. So we have a unique special promo with them right now. So sign up for Solo, get $10. You gotta show proof you're a driver by linking your gig account. It takes about 30 seconds. And you get $10. Okay, let's get started. So this comes from Reddit. We have a lot of drivers. Really, I think a lot of drivers are quitting. Obviously, it's no joke that gas keeps rising, and the price of gas today, I mean, we can just look it up. Right now, the national average of price is $3.72 per gallon. Now, if we just look at what it was in 2021, a year ago, it was $3.17. So gas is up over, almost 60 cents since last year. And we all know in California, you're paying at least $6, $5 a gallon. And Uber hasn't raised rates for drivers. The rates have been steadily the same. And the price of maintaining a car has gone up in value. Parts are more expensive, oil changes are more expensive, mechanics charge more for labor. Uber hasn't, risen with that price. This person just said here on Reddit, a medical transport company just offered me a job driving patients to the hospital. The pay rate is infinitely better. I would be doing the same thing as Uber, but a little different and get paid a lot more. For long trips, 100+ miles, I'd be taking in $500 for the day. Well played, Motive Care HR, well played. They think it's a posted ad, but here's the job posting if anybody else is interested. It sounds kind of like this is maybe a recruiter, but anyways, the pay is 16 bucks an hour. Not that anybody was actually believing a driving job was gonna pay $500 a day. Still better than driving for Uber or Lyft when considering expenses across on the new job. I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Hundreds of posts before you espouse the same. I will join you all one day soon. Yeah, we have so many drivers talking about quitting on our channel. We have a lot of drivers talking about quitting in our YouTube comments. And now you can become a courier. And basically, if you become a courier, you can essentially start delivering products. You can start delivering medical supplies, and you can deliver packages, whatever it might be. You can even do FedEx. But a lot of these companies, pay salaries, they pay wages, and it's a lot more consistent than driving for Uber. I think a lot of drivers are also quitting just because, there's really no pay raises with driving for Uber. There's no, if you keep driving for Uber for 5 years, you're still making the same amount of money. I mean, your per hour might go up a bit just based on strategies, but you're getting no raises, nothing like that. This is not a career job, which, a lot of people understand, but after a year or two, you realize your profits are pretty low based off of how much money you're spending to maintain your vehicle, how much your car has gone down in value through depreciation by putting on so many miles in your car, and also just simply spending money on gas, tickets, parking tickets, speeding tickets. I mean, getting into an accident. I'm sure if you've driven Uber for a year or two, you've been in an accident, everyone's texting driving out there. I was just driving down the road the other day and I went past a stoplight. There's like 10, 15 cars, stopped. Every single person was staring at their phone at the stoplight. Not one person was looking up. Everybody's driving around on their phones. And if you're driving for Uber, one of those people are gonna crash into you. So, all right guys, I'm gonna end the video there, but let me know if you're quitting Uber or if you're deciding to stay. And also check out Solo. Link below. It's the best business app for drivers, and they're gonna send you $10 for signing up with our link for free anywhere in the United States. Sign up in about 30 to 60 seconds and get your $10 by linking your gig account. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.